Monday, where I jump on every Monday and go through a body weight exercise that you can do from home. I'm Von from Wellness Coach with Von and a personal trainer. Today I'm going to take you through how to do the SKATER exercise, which is also known as a SKATER lunge or SKATER jumps. This is a great exercise that you can be adding into your home workout because it doesn't require a lot of room. You do need a little bit of room, but you don't need a huge amount. You don't need any equipment. It's a great exercise to get your heart rate up and get that cardiovascular system working. It improves your muscle endurance and strengthening. It helps strengthen your glutes, your hips, your hamstrings, and your inner thighs. So this is a brilliant exercise to be doing at home. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be hopping from one foot to the other as we lunge back, and then we're going to be jumping to the other side, like so. As we're pushing off one leg and landing on the other one, we are forcing our body to focus on our hip and our ankle mobility, okay? So it's a great one for strengthening our hips. It's great for mobility. It's great for your cardiovascular system. It's great for strengthening. So why not give it a go? Let me know how you go. If there's any exercise you want me to go through, make sure you pop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.